Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a two stars puzzle, and not in today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 21st, 2024. No, it's the newspaper of yesterday, February the 20th, 2024. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper, and I've already solved one a minute ago. So two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku. Well, I will continue with this one, the two stars Sudoku number 8049. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. 28. Wow. Usually the two stars has 26. This one has 28. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. 0 stars need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Need to blow my nose again. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and a 9. We have 5 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9, 9. 9, 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright, 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I can continue with the 9, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 1 and 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about the 9's? And all the 9's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1. No. How about 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, this box can be a 5, can be an 8. So the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, the 5, 2, the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. 2 in this row, 2 in that third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. All right. Now we have 4 digits completed. Then it's solvable. 4, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Then 2. Wait. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 4, 7, 1. How about? Well, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8. 4 and 8. Well, let me think. Think. 1, 1. I need a 4. And I need a 7 here. How about? I need to do something with the 8. Yeah. 4 and a 7. 4, 7, and a 6. Yeah. I need a 7 there. Come on. I need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Shoot it in. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8. Shoot it in. We have an 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. Last row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 down in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Here, 1 and a 4, okay. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7, cannot fill this yet. Here, 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 6. We have a 7 now in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Told you, should be at 0 stars. Faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.